So this is the repair job after my windshield was replaced. Took a look under the hood, and my whole front assembly was never reattached. Just free floating. Windshield squirter hose just dangling here. There's tabs under here that are supposed to be locked in. Never reattached. Just free floating. Add to that the scratching along the side here. That's through the paint down to the primer, and a broken section of A-pillar molding inside the car. There's the broken chunk out of the A-pillar. And there's the piece that they snapped out and broke off of the A-pillar. So, scratched car, reassembly botched, and some broken bits off the interior trim.